Stop wasting 2 hours on pizza dough. My son just proved that 5-minute dough can beat the old school way. Pizza purists are gonna hate this, but are they wrong? Watch these results. It might just surprise you. All right, we're gonna do a little challenge. We're gonna do one with yeast, that's with me. I'm the old school way. And then we're gonna do one with new school with Max. He's gonna do no yeast. Let's see which one is better. So let's start off with the yeast part. So we're gonna take our yeast and our sugar and our warm water. And we are going to give this a whisk. Which one do you think is gonna be good?
The 90s.
The 90s?
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, so with the yeast, see how it's bubbling up? We need to wait a little while. Let it bubble up. We need to let it bubble up a little bit more. And then we're gonna put in our dry ingredients.
Hey, look it's bubbling.
It's bubbling?
See?
Oh yeah, it is. That's the yeast.
Oh.
Max, where'd you go?
No.
You've fallen everywhere? All right, this has been sitting for about 5 minutes or so. You can see it's starting to bubble up. And now we're gonna take our flour. This is 2.5 cups of flour. And then we're gonna take oil and our salt. And don't worry.
We have a whisk.
Yeah, we have a whisk. Good job, Max. But don't worry, the ingredients and stuff will be, oh! This makes a mess.
Yes.
Let me just do my hands. So we're gonna knead this for about 7 minutes. And hopefully it turns into a dough, because I don't want to lose the bet. Right, Max?
Yeah, that'd be bad.
But I'm gonna win.
You think?
I am. My pick is gonna be better than yours.
Maybe the old school way is better than the new school way.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, no, it's
already growing super fast.
growing.
You think that looks good?
I don't know. I never made this before. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of water. I'm gonna cheat.
You?
I don't know. Let's see what's going on.
You poured all of my water in mine.
I know. We gotta get you more water. I can't seem to get it to form.
Extra dough?
Huh?
I'm playing with the extra dough and it's turning dry.
Is it?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, y'all doing it right.
Okay.
Or for a little bit extra, you can just get both of your hands and then just
Get both of my hands?
and like squish it.
Oh, that's much better. You're right. This is a workout.
Yeah.
You're not gonna win this.
I'm gonna win it.
I'm gonna distract you. Distract you.
Hell.
Tell me a joke.
Why did the crocodile cross the road?
Why?
Because it needs some Crocs.
Oh man.
What did the potato say to the bunny?
What?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. I think I need another joke. Ah!
We'll refill that, I guess.
Yeah. I'm just making a mess. We got it. Right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna knead it for 7 minutes. Pretty soon it's your turn.
Oh, yay.
Think you can do better than me?
Yeah,
Yeah. You're pretty confident there, buddy.
kind of. I forgot you cheated earlier.
Why? Oh yeah. I'm sabotaging you.
Yeah.
Got a song?
But can I tell you a joke?
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit me with some more.
Why did wait. I ran out of
Oh,
jokes.
you ran out of jokes.
Yeah.
Can I sing you a song?
Yeah.
When the moon hits the pie, it's a big pizza pie. It's a moe.
Imagine you replace pie with pizza. Pizza pie. Squish it, right?
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this into a bowl. We're going to
Shape it.
first we shaped it, right? Moto. I like 'em big. I like 'em chunky. Moto. Then we're gonna get our bowl. We're gonna put a little bit
Oil.
oil,
On it.
coat it, and we're gonna coat the bowl so that way that it doesn't stick. Then we're gonna stick our moto, and we're gonna stick them in here. Then we're gonna put foil wrap over it, and then we're gonna wait for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna bubble up, and then we're gonna punch it. Wait, I don't mess up.
Yeah.
You say I mess up?
Yes,
I don't mess up. Don't tell all my secrets.
It's going to be good.
All right. Now that we got this covered, let's set this aside. All right, so this has been setting for about an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. So it's puffed up pretty well. We're gonna let Maddox do the honors.
Punch it.
And we're just gonna punch it. Yeah, look how it went down. All right.
That's a good punch.
Now we're just gonna take it and put it into a bowl.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks soft and round.
It looks like I could eat it right now.
Okay, and we're gonna cut it into
2 pieces.
4s.
4?
Yeah, extra for later. So we got that piece, and that piece, and this piece. Now we're gonna take each one,
Put it in a bowl.
we're gonna put it in a bowl, and then we're gonna take 3 of them, and we're gonna wrap them for later. We're gonna put it in a baggie for later. Now we're gonna work on Maddox's to see if the no yeast works better than the yeast. Ready?
This is baking soda,
Toss that in there.
salt,
Salt,
salt, oil,
oil,
flour.
2 cups of flour.
Mhm.
A little bit of the water. And then he's gonna use his hands and mix it all up. Mix it all up. The idea is to try to make it a ball. Okay? I'm put a little at a time.
It got sticky.
Sticky?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That means it's working. Can I show you real quick?
Yep.
Okay. So you want to take your mix. Try to mix it all together. It's almost coming together. We're going to take a little bit more water. You're going to make it like mine.
Right.
Okay, I think it needs a little bit more water, but try to make a ball, okay? There's water right there. So grab the water.
Scoop it up.
Yep.
I made a little spill.
Got a little bit more water we could do. Put it down. All right.
Sticky.
And put the bowl over there. All right. What makes it unsticky is the flour, so we need to put more flour down. All right. Well, Max got his dough done, and just like my dough, there was way too much dough for one person, one pizza, so we cut it in half. Let's compare the doughs a little bit right now. This one is a little bit more taller. This one is like more smoother, and then this one has ridges. I don't know. It's kind of gonna be a tie, huh?
And I feel some wet.
So I'm gonna go first to show you what to do, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on the rolling pin. And then we're just gonna back and forth, flip it, okay? The idea is to make it as round as possible. That way we can compare.
Than your other pizza.
Don't tell my secrets. You wanna try to get it as round as possible.
You can make little holes in it to be a piece of pie.
Okay, so now it's your turn. So now we're gonna put a little bit on here. That's a lot of it. Okay, kind of do like what I did, okay? And then with me. Okay, then turn it. You're doing good. What's your favorite topping?
Topping?
Yeah, what do you like on your pizza?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Well, you're in luck. I got mushrooms.
Hey, I can see them on the board.
Now, let's bring up your edges a little. Bit. You think you can flip it? We do this just so we can have a little bit of a crust. Okay. Wait, let me get this side. All right. Let's look at yours. And let's look at mine.
I think mine looks like a smiley face.
Yours looks like a smiley face? This one still looks like smoother. I don't know, this one has pretty good.
This is like smooth.
And this one took us only 5 minutes to make. All right, Max, go ahead and put your sauce on. Not in your eye. Put a little bit more and then you spread it. A little bit more so you get that side.
Cheating. I'm using almost all the sauce.
I'll take the sauce and you put on your cheese. It's just pizza sauce. Okay, put your cheese. You left me with just enough. Look at that.
Well,
It's a lot of sauce.
mm-hmm. Believe this.
Pepperoni.
Got the
Boom.
extra piece.
Boom.
I feel like this is a fast competition. I like a lot of.
Boom. You can have some pepperoni too. Spread it out a little bit. Let's spread it out a little bit, so that way that all the pepperoni will cook. Okay. Now we got to get it onto the pizza pill. Can you hand me that, sir? So the key for the pizza pills?
There's flour.
Flour. Oh. Oh.
First, but not mine.
Yeah, because I was closer.
Oh.
We're going to put our oven to 700 degrees. Then we're going to drop it down to 650 and then put our pizzas in. We're going to throw in our first pizza. Let's see. Did I do it right?
Yep.
Set this one down. On to number 2. Oh, that one was much smoother. This is the second one in. Got a little bit of flames here. The key to this, what I'm finding, is to lift up and double check that you're not burning the bottom. All right, our pizzas are finally done, which was really quick, by the way. Mine is rose a little bit more. There was a bubble on this side. His became flat all the way around. A little bit of rose up here. If you're in a pinch and you wanted something quick, I would go with the non-yeast. But I don't know. Yeast is always good. Let's cut into them.
Pinched.
You pinched?
Yeah.
Listen to that crunch. Oh, yeah. All right, time for the taste test. Look at this bottom. I just want to point out. These are perfect pizzas on the bottom. All right, ready? Time to test. Time to taste. Cheers. Let me taste yours. You taste mine. I don't know. Which one do you guys think is better? Let me know in the comment. If you like this showdown, check out our pizza on the Blackstone next. It's our favorite. Subscribe for more.
Okay.
So we could do a thumbnail.
Alright.
Really? 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Let me know in the comments. And if you like this pizza